Court is calling 2023 CR 3144, State of Texas versus Mr. Gore. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Charles
Defense.
Blunt for Mr. Gore.
And how do you pronounce your first name?
Ajay.
Ajay. All right. That's why I can't get that name right. The letters are, but I'm going to remember it. Ajay Gore. Are you Ajay Gore?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Gore, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, and we don't object to their motion to reduce it to the lesser included misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury of a family member.
We do have that motion, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand the state has reduced your offense to assault, bodily injury, family household? That's Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Absolutely.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I did.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishments to be assessed as 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. State recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with the LaShawanda Gore. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea? State?
Your Honor, we have the state's exhibit.
No, is that the plea?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's good.
I'm sorry.
Defense?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year. There be a TAP evaluation, anger management, and parenting classes. If y'all could initial there, please. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, we have the state's exhibit number 1 and all attached.
No objections.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we believe he's worthy of the plea bargain. We ask you to follow it regarding the classes that are requested by the state. He's already completed 2 different parenting classes through CPS and an anger management class through CPS
All right.
and has been granted, he has been reunified with the child that is involved in this.
All right. And is that correct, State?
As far as I know, yes, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Gore, what have you learned from your parenting classes?
I know one thing, about it's a different time and age, about how to, handle kids. And I know one of the biggest things that I learned for this, which I've been telling a lot of guys is, at the end of the day, the other parent, that's who it is. And y'all got to come to an agreement for the kid in order to, basically co-parenting. I don't know. It's not, you're not doing it for you, you're doing it for the kid. And that's something that I've been working on and it's been helping.
All right. People say that they realize that times have changed. And it's not so much that times have changed with parenting. It's just that people have learned better ways. And if you have a punishment for a child and the punishment is to clean the baseboards, then that's the punishment. Physical discipline rarely works. The only thing that physical discipline really teaches people is that might makes right. And I always tell people when you are hitting on a child to correct them, guess what? If that wasn't a child and wasn't your child, if that was just some adult on the street and they didn't do what you told them to do and you hit on them, you'd be in court for that. People assume that children don't have any rights, and technically they don't, but children are not property. And for some reason, people tend to want to teach their children and keep them as property. They're human beings. And they don't learn anything from you beating on them. Throughout my entire childhood, my mom would always sit down and just have a discussion about what you did wrong. In my entire childhood, I only got one spanking, and it was well deserved because I almost put my brother's eye out for doing something foolish that made no sense. And looking back on it, I'm like, Stephanie, why did you do that?
I don't think you did.
Why were you riding a bicycle in the house? That made no sense whatsoever. But I say that to say, you don't teach children anything by hitting on them. The only thing you taught them really is, all right, when I have a child, I need to hit on them too. And some parents think fear is the best way to parent a child. And really it's not. And all this was over not buying a book at the book fair and instead buying candy. It happens. That's what children do. All right. 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 1 year. Affirmative finding of family violence, no harmful or injurious contact with Lashandwa Gore, LASHAWNDA. There'll be parenting classes and anger management. If he has completed that through CPS, then that will be acceptable. There's to be 80 hours of community service restitution. There's to be 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, could I see that file one more time? Because I don't believe I said that on the record. There is an affirmative finding of family violence. All right, we can go off the record. You want children to love you because guess what? They'll come to you with whatever problems they have, or if they've done something wrong, they'll come to you. But if they're afraid of you, they're not going to come to you. You understand? I come to my mom for everything. She knows every single thing about my life. Charles can tell you that.
Very true.
All right. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Morning. All right. So these are the issues. I understand that what happened to you is you were in prison and then the state hit you with this case, and they probably should have taken it care of before then. But we are where we are now. And where we are now is you need to complete your courses. I mean, okay.
Hey, please, quiet.
Okay, so he's completed parenting, anger management. He has the proof of employment. Is there anything else that he has not completed? Just one moment. So every other class has been completed. All right, could I see someone from family violence, please? All right, this is Mr. Gore. So can you let the complainant know his case is expiring September 29th, 2024? Yes. So that's when your case expires. Yes.
One, she's been one, temporary. I have the paperwork right here. For the temporary order not up. You can move it.
What do you mean the probation is in the way?
Having a great protector. There is, and also I have a probation fire. Unfortunately, I have a 9 months jail time with your patient.
Mhm.
Came home to a lawsuit, lost my skill, I changed that.
Okay. All right, who's the complainant on this case? Okay, and how old is she? All right. So state, he's completed all of his classes. And this is a case where he was in TDC. And then all of a sudden he gets hit with this case after he's released from TDC, which I don't like for that to happen because I think somebody's in TDC, everybody knows where they are. Case should have been handled. So if you want to see what you want to do, as I said, he's completed everything.
I mean, I'll take a look. I don't think we'll do much for him because he only had 1 year on the underlying sentence.
Mhm.
So not too long, and he's almost done in a month.
No, he's done.
Well, I thought it was September.
No, I mean, he's completed everything.
I mean, did this file anything? Or
No.
Okay, well, if we file something, Judge, and I can talk to Charles. I think we have something else coming up. Not today, but I'm sure I'll see it soon. So
Oh, well, Miss Ferguson, call Mr. Blank and see if he can come over. All right, just have a seat. Thank you. And Mr. Don, I just don't want somebody to lose employment because of this. Yes.
No, I appreciate
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling. I'll have your client come up.
Yes.
And were you able to let the complainant know? All right. All right, so before we go on the record, what I can tell you on these cases, I'd like the complainant to know. So,
If I may, Your Honor, the complainant was my client's daughter.
oh yeah, I know.
I forgot.
Well, here's
She's
the,
aware, but
all right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on the record. I'm inclined to grant the early termination, but on these cases, I'd like for the complainant to be made aware. So, even though I'm gonna grant the early termination, most likely, it's not gonna be placed in the system until August 22nd. All right, is that okay with everyone? And that will give the state time to contact the complainant. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 3144, State of Texas versus Ajay Gore. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? And are you Mr. Gore? All right, defense, do you have an oral motion?
would make a full motion for the information created early. It was placed on 1 year of security communication. September 29th, which is right up to a year. My understanding, I've talked to the state and probation. He's completed all of his requirements, but completed all of the classes. So we're asking to court grant our motion and terminate.
All right, probation. If you could come forward, please. All right, could you give the court a report for the purposes of the record? And if you would state your name.
Probation is recommended for satisfaction.
All right, why unsatisfactorily? All right, no. All right, so that's what you're recommending?
Yes.
All right, and state, do you have any objection to early termination? All right, so the court will note for the record that Mr. Gore was previously in prison. He was released from prison, and then this case popped up, but the case had been around while he was in prison. The court thinks and feels that when you have people who are in custody, that these cases should not just be around and no one's doing anything with the case because the person is in custody. So I'm taking that under consideration when I make my decision in this case on whether or not to terminate him satisfactorily, unsatisfactorily. Mr. Gore, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right. All right, are you currently employed? How many hours a week do you work? 75? And what do you do?
Okay.
All right. And did you take all of your classes that the court required for this probation? All right, so you took parenting twice? Mhm. All right, what did you learn about parenting?
My children are older now. if she wasn't accurate on her statement, she could apologize for it. She told me her issue was she was a mom involved, not just dad. So it's working. It's feel like parents should both have the same rights to mom. So communication basically is what I work with, you know. Even when I'm not understanding, I just try to talk it out. And we don't use no more, we don't do spankings.
Okay. And you took anger management class? And what did you learn from that?
Yeah, it's hard. You come to that, you just need to breathe. What I do now is come upset about something. Honestly, I started doing what my mom did when I was a child, which is to need a baker. It works. After Mary Davis.
All right, Anita Baker. I don't know if she has any songs about parenting. I like Anita Baker though. Sweet Love. All right, what do you play?
I don't know all of this. I will cut it on just playlists like they on my phone.
All right, that's okay. Sweet Love should be at the top. All right. All right. And I'm assuming that you provide financially for your child?
Yes.
Okay. You know, back in the day, I remember you could take a child for clothing for school. This tell you how old I am. And your parent would spend $100 and you're set for school. I'm assuming you can't do that anymore. $100, what does that get you? Some socks? Okay. All right. So this is what the court is going to do unless there's any objection from either side. I am going to terminate your probation as of August 22nd. That will give the state time. I know that your counsel is saying that your daughter, you have custody arrangements with her mother, but I always like to be sure that they're aware. So state, is August 22nd enough time for you?
Yes.
All right. And the court is going to terminate the probation satisfactorily. Is there anything else from either side? All right. And that will be as of August 22nd, not today, August 22nd. All right. Anything else? All right. Thank you.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her